Hello and welcome to cookingflavors.com. For today's video, we'll look at yet another homemade remedy, which is instant homemade cough syrup, and here are the list of ingredients that are required for that. Just 3 simple ingredients. Now first I have that much of ginger, and I've washed it thoroughly and peeled the skin completely. Now we will grate the entire ginger. Grating is the best option instead of grinding or crushing it, because it's easily shredded into pieces, and you will get the maximum juice out of it when you shred it or grate it this way. So I'm going ahead and grating the entire ginger. Now I'm just squeezing out all the juice from the ginger. So when you're buying ginger, make sure your ginger is nice and fresh and it's full of juice. Now I'm squeezing in some lemon juice. Adjust the lemon juice according to the sourness that you require. If you are giving it to kids, make sure you adjust the pungency of the ginger as well. And now I'm adding in the required amount of honey. So adjust the ginger, the lemon juice and honey all according to your taste, but it's always better to keep it a little up on the spicier side for effective cough remedy. But as I told you, if you're giving it to kids, you can always adjust the taste accordingly. Now since the honey is a little thick, it will take a little time for you to dissolve it, so make sure you mix it thoroughly. Now a homemade instant cough syrup is ready. This can be kept at room temperature for about 3 days and in the refrigerator for about a week. But I always suggest that you make in small batches and consume it fresh, because the ingredients are always effective and powerful when they are consumed fresh. So hope you enjoyed this instant homemade cough syrup. If you did, please do give us a thumbs up, and if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all our updates immediately as soon as we upload them. Don't forget to post in your comments, suggestions and feedback as well. Till we see you again with another new and interesting recipe, thank you and happy cooking.